Governor Bhalla has traced the critical need for police and prosecution personnel to undergo comprehensive training on the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, in short UAPA, and the National Security Act NSA. Speaking at the inauguration of a two-day seminar on the criminal justice administration at MSFDS Palace Auditorium, Imphal, the governor highlighted the massive transformation under the three new laws, that is BNS, BNSS and BSA, which came into effect on July 1, 2024, replacing colonial-era frameworks. He noted that this new system aims to deliver speedy justice, protect victim dignity and integrate digital technology. The governor praised the High Court of Manipur for being more advanced than many other states, having already established video conferencing facilities and drafted the necessary rules. He also emphasized that full enforcement requires high professionalism and proper coordination among the police, prosecution, judiciary and prison administration. Citing local challenges faced late last year with UAPA and NSA cases, Governor Bhalla shared that he has discussed training gaps with the Chief Justice to better equip state personnel. He went on to emphasize that the transparent, citizen-friendly criminal justice system is vital to maintaining a long-term peace and development in Manipur.
Of the new Nyaya Sahitas will strengthen public confidence, improve access to justice and contribute significantly towards maintaining peace and rule of law. I urge all the participants to actively engage in the discussions, share experience and identify practical problems, clear your doubts. The success of these reforms ultimately depends not merely on legislation, but on the commitment, competence and the coordination of every stakeholder entrusted with the administration of justice.
Meanwhile, the Chief Minister Yumnam came to emphasize that the righteous justice delivery system is central to a strong democracy, stating that criminal justice relies on security, constitutional governance and public trust. He added that justice delivery system must protect fundamental rights and the rule of law so that citizens can live without fear. The Chief Minister noted that the BNSS and BSA bring historic legal reforms while highlighting the government's firm resolve to fully implement these three new laws in the state.
I encourage the participants of this seminar to make the fullest use of this opportunity. Meaningful exchange between the bench, the bar, the police and the prosecution and the academic institution will strengthen coordination among the stakeholders and contribute to a more responsive, transparent and accountable justice delivery system.